Hey, your power supply's here, so I can put it on the server. I got an EVGA 450B. It was like $30, and it was 80 plus bronze. I could have gotten the 500 watt version for just a few dollars more, but I decided to get a 450 watt because a video from Linus, I think it was like Luke who made it or something like that, showed that higher wattage power supplies do end up consuming a little bit more power. And in a normal rig like this one, that doesn't really matter. So I just got a 650 watt because future proofing. But in something like this where I have like a UPS and stuff, I really want to be consuming the least amount of power as possible. So 450 watt it is. So let's get this thing installed. Okay, now we boot. Okay, so it's booting reliably now. That means we know that the power supply replacement worked. Everything's going great. Ooh, you can't see my thumbs up. Yeah, thumbs up. Quick comment I'd like to address. Some of you guys may be wondering, so yes, in this machine I am using the 8370 that AMD sent me a while back. Yes, in my personal rig update, you saw when I took out the Wraith cooler, the processor came with it. It did end up getting some bent pins, which I fixed, but one pin actually broke off. So this processor is a broken pin, but as you can see, it's still working fine, and that's not affecting anything. That's because, I'm not entirely sure with Ryzen, but it's probably the same thing. With the FX processors, there are a lot of redundant pins. So if one of the pins on the outside breaks, you're probably fine. You just don't go actively breaking them. It's just if one does happen to break, it's not the end of the world. You don't need to replace the processor. It'll still work, as you can see here. But that's just one broken pin. It's fine. So, yeah. So, I'm just going to run through the BIOS again, make sure everything is how I want it to be, and then I'm going to load up Linux. So you guys are here for the whole creative process. So, yeah, what I think I'm going to do is just, from my PC, I can access everything. Ooh, no, even better for security. I can read files, and I can copy files off of the hard drives, but I cannot modify them. So I can't delete anything, I can't add anything, I can only copy files off if I need them. There we go. That's what I'm going to do. So you can copy files off of that hard drive and you can read the hard drives, but I can't edit them at all from the PC. If I want to edit them, so I go here. So I first transfer everything to the scratch disk, and then I come over here, move things to their respective places on the hard drives, and there we go. So yeah, because then I can access everything from there, but I do have that extra, security and stuff in place. So that's awesome. Is the UPS on? The UPS is on. Awesome. So I'm going to let this install and I'm going to work on other stuff. I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so for some reason it doesn't want to install grub. Like it just says error failed. And it's been several times that I did this, so I just burned the USB with Ubuntu server. As you guys can see, if it'll focus. Maybe if I... Okay, yeah, there you go. Ubuntu server. So, okay. Pull that out of there. And let's go. Let's plug this in back here. There you go. Okay, so Ubuntu server is a little bit different. Let me put this on check web. Let's see if I can somehow manage to figure this out. So, there's no mouse. English. Okay. Huh, let me see what these differences are. I'll be right back. Okay, so I want to do just install Ubuntu server. Okay, here, trackpad time. Woo! That's a lot faster than regular. So server is great for servers, which, you know, makes sense. So now, if everything goes right, it should just boot up to Ubuntu Server 1604. I went with 1604 because, you know, long-term support. I don't really want to be like reinstalling this every 9 months or whatever it is. I know 1704 is out now. Hey! Oh, okay, that just automatic. I mean, there's only one anyways. So anyways, I could go with 1704 because it's out now, but I don't want to for this because, you know, security. It's a server. This is a little more awesome. Oh. I was gonna say that's wrong. Yep, Oh, I don't know how to use this. Crap, here. Crap, okay. Let's figure this out. I found a tutorial for using Samba with command line interface only. So, So I clearly don't know what I'm doing on the command line, so I just installed gnome shell, sudo apt-get install gnome shell, and I have like nothing here. Oh. Okay, this is annoying. Do I even have a file manager? I don't. Screw it. I'm out. Nope. Okay, so I don't know how to use command line. Ubuntu server is not going to work. It's all command line. I tried installing a GNOME on it. It doesn't have like a file manager or anything. I have no idea what I'm going to be doing. Ubuntu server is not going to work. I don't know how to use it. The problem was I was getting Samba, like I was getting it to work kind of. I could see it on, like I could see it on the network, but it wasn't, letting me change anything. I could not copy a file onto it, which defeats the whole purpose. And then obviously, since there's no file manager or anything, I don't know how to do it from the Linux machine, so just screw it. I tried getting just plain old Ubuntu 16.04 desktop edition. No, it doesn't work. Ubuntu 16.04 2.2 for some reason does not want to boot. Like it has like the main loading screen where it's all gray, and on the bottom has like the keyboard and then the weird person thing, and then that's it. Maybe because I was just using the GNOME version, but I really don't want to use Unity. But I do want long-term support. I don't want to get like 17.04. So I don't know. So I'm just using straight Debian, because this will get me long-term support, I think, and it'll work, and I can have a GUI, and it'll be fine. Okay, so I have Debian here with GNOME, just simple vanilla Debian GNOME. Why? Why does it have to do this? Oh, this is so annoying. I'm probably going to call this video Idiot Can't Install Linux. Ugh. So it does not want to install grub on this computer. At least not from here. So from Ubuntu 16.10, it doesn't want to install grub. From Ubuntu 16.04, it doesn't want to show anything other than that stupid like loading intro thing at the bottom. Debian doesn't want to. I don't know how to use Debian. Like sudo doesn't work, or like sudo is not installed. But to install sudo, you need sudo. I don't know how to do that, and I don't want to deal with that. I'm just gonna have to go back to server, because server, I know I was close to getting it to work, and I did a little more research, and I figured out the problem was I didn't. It was the permissions. I need to make sure that all users have permission. So if I figure out how to do RAID in Ubuntu server, then I think I'll be good and I can just use that. So, new current plan, Ubuntu server, and I hope I don't just horribly mess up again. Okay, I figured it out. once it comes back on. There we go. Okay, so I got it working. So I'm going to prove that I got it working. So here, I have my files for part 1 of the server video. So I have the thumbnail, copy, new file explorer. I got a network. It should come up in here. Also, I'm gonna have to talk to my parents about why that. Hey, oh, there's more stuff than I thought there would be, but that's okay. But anyways, why there's like 2 TVs? But anyways, I want to see, what is this? It's probably not gonna work. It's gonna. Desktop, I don't know what that is, but it's on there. Hey, see there? See there? See there? See there? See there? Server. So that's what I'm just calling it, server FX, because that's what it is. Ooh, there's that scratch folder that I created. Ingest, because I'm using this as ingest anyways. Control V. Oh, it's there. And then if we come over here, I'm in the, as you can see, the scratch folder. I'm gonna do an ls space dash LA. Ooh, there's ingest right here. CD ingest. Do an ls and ooh, there's that thumbnail frame. I don't know why it's called frame, but awesome. And then if I do rm thumbnail. Oh wait, no, that's not gonna work. Here, I'm gonna remove all things that are .jpegs. Actually, quickly, I'm gonna make sure that I just did copy. Okay, awesome. Yeah. Because I don't, it doesn't work with space. So remove all JPEG items. Awesome. And then if I do an ls, it's gone. And I go here. Oh, look at that! It's gone. This is amazing. I actually got it working. So next video. Because this video is already going to be way too long watching me fail installing Linux 20 times. I'm going to get the other 2 hard drives set up. So I'm going to get the RAID 1. So I'm going to get them in a RAID 1 for redundancy. And I'm going to mount them as a separate volume that I can see here. And I'm going to call it like Vault or something like that. I don't know. And I'm going to have a terabyte of space. Because see, I don't know. Can I see how much space is on here? If I go to properties with this. Nothing. Okay. Awesome. That's cool. That's cool. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna have a separate folder. So there's gonna be Scratch, which is gonna be the SSD, I know, and then there's gonna be like Vault, and that's gonna be those hard drives. So that's the next video. I'm gonna get that working up. I'm doing some research. I think it's using the MDADM utility is how I create the RAID 1, but then actually mounting that in Samba, I have no idea how I'm gonna do that. It's probably super easy, but as you guys have clearly seen in this video, I'm a complete idiot. So we'll see how that goes. So stay subscribed if you want to see that, and leave a like if you liked this video. Leave a dislike if you're very annoyed with my incompetence, which okay, whatever. Yeah, like the video, leave a comment, tell me how I could have done it better, any ideas you have for what I should do or how I should do the things that I said I was going to do or anything. And stay subscribed so you can watch me fail some more. I will see you guys in the next one.